This extraordinary 1,467 square foot 2-bedroom, 2-bath Mendocino floor plan, with a large flex space, is incomparable in its finishes, customization, and location in the complex. Walk out any of your 4 doors onto your own private pool-level patio with large ceramic planters and pines and shrubbery, which act as a natural border to keep your pets contained. Unit 218 has the largest patio area in all of One North Shore with quick access to all the amenities One North Shore has to offer. Enter the condo to beautiful hand-scraped hardwood floors, updated lighting, updated kitchen, custom walk-in closets with organizers in both bedrooms, large tiled 5 by 5 foot custom double shower, and freshly painted walls and ceilings. Not only is this unit one of the most sought-after units, but it also comes with a double storage unit, a $60,000 value, which measures 10 by 11 and 10-foot ceiling for a lot of cubic storage space, but also 2 side-by-side secure parking spaces. One North Shore has a plethora of social amenities including a large community pool, outdoor fire pits, and fireplace, outdoor grilling, workout gym, poolside clubhouse, a large clubhouse for large gatherings, and a dog park. In just minutes, walk to Whole Foods, hot yoga, Coolidge Park, Walnut Street Bridge, restaurants, shopping, and everything downtown Chattanooga has to offer. Call today and make this your next home.